Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. It's your boy TechnoTrend back at it again. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to change your thumbnail on your iOS device. Now this does work on Android as well, but the steps are usually different since Android is a different operating system, but you can go ahead and use this video as well. Alright, before we get started, I do have some announcements, so be sure to go ahead and join our Discord if you guys want to talk to us. We are there every single day, so if you guys do want to talk, join the general, and we should be on as soon as possible. Also, be sure to follow my social medias down below to keep yourself updated on when new videos are released, since YouTube's notification system is basically broken. Other than that guys, I do give free shoutouts usually every video unless I don't see the same or different actives, so I will be trying to give everyone an active shoutout depending if you're active on my channel. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel guys. Alright guys, switching over to iPhone cam, so this is my iPhone type layout. So if you guys do want this wallpaper in the background, it is Goku. And you guys can see Lord Beerus up there. If you guys do want this wallpaper, it's in the description down below. It's under the section daily wallpapers, so if you guys do want that, be sure to go ahead and get it. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to change your thumbnail on mobile or iOS or Android, whatever you guys want to call it. So for some reason YouTube, the application, doesn't let you do that once you're uploading. So I was trying to upload a video and for some reason it doesn't show you like anywhere to change the thumbnail. So basically what you have to do is get this other application called Creator Studio, and this is also from YouTube. It's in the App Store, it's obviously saved. You guys can go check it out, YouTube Studio, just look it up. Once you go inside YouTube Studio, so once you're here on your account, what you guys want to do is click on the video. Make sure the video is not published or else you will be publishing without a thumbnail. So you guys can see if that's in the video, that's going to be a really weird thumbnail, so I suggest you guys keep it on private first, and then you after you change the thumbnail, you are able to put it on public. So click this little button right here, then click edit thumbnail, tap it, and you guys are able to change the thumbnail. That's basically it for that. Once you do that, make sure to click save at the end. If not, it will not save your thumbnail. After you click save, you can scroll all the way down till you see privacy, then you can change it to public, and then once you change it to public, it should be out for everyone. That's basically it for this small tutorial. I'll be doing more of these specifically for those people who keep asking for them. I keep getting DMs about this, but this is an updated video from my old one. So if you guys did enjoy, be sure to like and subscribe if you did, because YouTube isn't sending out my videos in the subscription box. So if you guys can, be sure to support me through that. It's basically for this video. Hope you guys do enjoy. Please subscribe to my new channel. It's called Hero Clips. Love you guys so much. Have a good one. Peace.